According to China EV Post, Tesla China sold 93,766 vehicles in December, including exports. This marks an 18.91% increase from November's 78,856 units and the third highest monthly sales in Tesla China's history. Of these, approximately 83,000 vehicles were sold locally in China, a record high for the company. Tesla's Shanghai factory produces the Model 3 sedan and Model Y crossover for both local deliveries and exports. For the full year 2024, Tesla sold about 657,000 vehicles in China, an 8.8% increase from last year and an all-time high. In December, Tesla China exported about 10,870 vehicles, a significant rise of 103% from November. However, exports were down 41% compared to December last year. In the fourth quarter, Tesla China's total sales, including exports, reached approximately 240,900 vehicles. This accounted for 49% of Tesla's global deliveries of 495,570 units during the quarter. You are listening to Yuan News.